Think you're eating healthy after 60? You might be making it worse. A lot of seniors switch to so-called healthy foods, whole wheat bread, vegetable oils, protein bars. But what if I told you some of those health foods are secretly fueling inflammation in your body? Joint pain, brain fog, heart issues, even trouble in the bedroom. They all trace back to one root problem: chronic inflammation, and the wrong foods make it worse. Today we're uncovering the healthy foods that are secretly harming you after 60 and what to eat instead. 2. Understanding inflammation. After 60, let's break this down simply. Inflammation is your body's natural defense system. It fights infections, repairs injuries, and keeps you alive. But chronic inflammation? That's different. When your body stays inflamed for weeks, months, or years without turning off, it becomes destructive. Arteries get damaged, joints swell and hurt, brain cells weaken, erections fade, even cancer risk rises. And here's what most men over 60 don't realize. You could be fueling that fire every single day without knowing it, just by eating the wrong healthy foods. Let's expose them. 3. Hidden inflammatory health foods. 1. Whole wheat bread and pasta. Wait, whole grains are healthy, right? Not exactly. They contain gluten, which can irritate the gut lining. They spike blood sugar just like white bread, and they're often loaded with additives. For seniors, this means more joint stiffness, belly fat, and brain fog. Better option, switch to sprouted grain breads or oat-based alternatives. 2. Vegetable oils. Canola, soy, corn oil. Most people cook with these thinking they're heart healthy. But here's the truth. These oils are ultra-refined, high in omega-6 fatty acids, which are pro-inflammatory. Often oxidized or rancid by the time they hit your kitchen long-term, these oils clog arteries, damage cells, and inflame the entire body. Better option, use extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. 3. Protein bars and low-fat snacks. They look healthy. They're marketed as fit food, but most are loaded with added sugar or sugar alcohols, contain artificial sweeteners like sucralose or aspartame, packaged with industrial seed oils. The result? A blood sugar roller coaster and more inflammation. Better option, snack on handfuls of walnuts, hard-boiled eggs, or low-sugar Greek yogurt. 4. Flavored yogurts. Yes, yogurt can be great for probiotics, but many store yogurts are packed with 12 to 25 grams of sugar per cup, contain dyes, thickeners, and fake fruit flavorings, not actually fermented long enough for real gut benefit. And gut health is the first defense against inflammation. Better option, choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt or kefir, and add your own berries. 5. Fruit juices, even 100% real juice. Orange juice, apple juice, grape juice. They sound natural, but here's what they really are. Liquid sugar with fiber removed. Huge glycemic spike triggers inflammatory insulin response. Even if it says no sugar added, the natural sugar content is still dangerous. Better option, eat whole fruits with fiber, like berries, apples, or pears. 6. Soy products. Tofu, soy milk. Soy is often sold as a meat alternative, but it contains phytoestrogens that mimic estrogen in the body. Often genetically modified, GMO, can impact testosterone and increase inflammation in men. Better option, get your protein from eggs, beans, wild fish, or lentils. 4. How inflammation wrecks your body. After 60 now, let's connect the dots. If you've got joint stiffness when waking up, difficulty focusing, fatigue even after sleeping, trouble with erections, or unexplained aches, there's a good chance chronic inflammation is involved. And if you're still eating healthy foods like whole wheat toast with margarine, soy milk, protein bars, fruit juice, you're feeding the fire without realizing it. But don't worry, you can reverse it. 5. What to eat instead. The anti-inflammatory power foods. 1. Berries, blueberries, raspberries. Packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress. 2. Wild-caught salmon or sardines, loaded with omega-3s that actively reduce inflammation. 3. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, nature's ibuprofen. 4. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, chard provide fiber and antioxidants without spiking blood sugar. 5. Turmeric plus black pepper. This combo lowers inflammation markers and improves joint health. 6. Nuts and seeds, walnuts, flax, chia, rich in magnesium and healthy fats. 7. Avocados, full of monounsaturated fats, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Make your plate colorful, fiber-rich, and real. That's how you heal your body from the inside out. 6. Other daily habits that lower inflammation. It's not just about food. Inflammation can also be caused by 1. Poor sleep. Less than 6 hours a night raises inflammatory markers. Aim for 7 to 9 hours with a consistent sleep routine. 2. High-stress cortisol keeps inflammation alive. Try daily breathing, walks, or light yoga. 3. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting all day leads to poor circulation and inflammation. Get up every hour, walk 30 minutes daily. 4. Dehydration. Even mild dehydration increases inflammatory cytokines. Drink water consistently, not just when thirsty. 7. Sample daily. Anti-inflammatory routine. Morning, warm water with lemon eggs, avocado, berries. Light walk or stretching. Lunch, wild salmon salad with olive oil, handful of walnuts. Herbal tea. Evening, lentils with veggies, turmeric, plus black pepper. 10-minute breathing or meditation. Sleep by 10 p.m. Follow this for 2 to 3 weeks, and you may notice reduced joint pain, more energy, better digestion, sharper thinking, and possibly better performance below the belt too. 8. Final words. Inflammation doesn't start with age. It starts with choice. And the foods you once thought were helping you may be the very reason you feel slow, stiff, and tired. But it's never too late to change. Your body responds fast, especially after 60, when you give it the right tools. So ditch those fake health foods. Eat real, move daily, sleep deeply, and give your body the fuel to fight inflammation naturally. If you found this eye-opening, hit subscribe for weekly videos on natural aging, men's health, and vitality after 60. Like this video to help others learn the truth about hidden inflammation. Comment below, which of these health foods surprised you the most?